Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the cell chemistry and rated voltage so you don't apply the wrong charge profile. Once done, inspect for swelling or damage. A compromised cell is unsafe. Make sure you match polarity and set the charger's mode, target voltage, and current limit to the cell's specifications. This prevents overvoltage or excessive current. Connect clamps or leads firmly to positive and negative terminals, then enable the charger. You're now charging under controlled conditions with the right parameters. You now supervise the charging sequence to control how energy enters the cell and why each phase matters. Start with constant current to bring the cell up safely, then allow the charger to switch to constant voltage to prevent overcharging. This reduces stress and capacity loss. Monitor terminal voltage, current tapering, and cell temperature. Heat signals trouble. Make sure the charger's indicators or logs confirm expected behavior. If current doesn't taper or temperature rises unexpectedly, pause and reassess connections and settings. You finish by letting the charger reach its cutoff condition, usually when current drops below the specified fraction of capacity or the charger indicates full. Once complete, disconnect safely and allow the cell to rest. This stabilizes terminal voltage for accurate verification. If you charged a multi-cell pack, balance the cells so voltages match within a few millivolts to prevent long-term imbalance. If the cell gets hot during rest or shows rapid voltage sag, stop using it and inspect for internal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.